morning and welcome to The Becoming Trader. I'm your host, Christian Kam. I'm The Becoming Trader. So if you have any questions or just pop it in the comments. And let's get started. So run through quickly for weekly. For all THF, we're bearish. We're sort of bearish in the daily, but we've been ranging for quite a while. There's a bit of liquidity up here. This downward trend here sort of took the liquidity, but we're very much within that range. So we'll see where that goes. Hourly, very similar. We are bullish. There's a bit of liquidity at the bottom here. So there's a bit of liquidity up here, so it might go further up. What will it do? Go further up and then make its way down. That's what I'm thinking. Or USD weekly. Okay, we are bearish on the weekly. There's lots of liquidity up here. On the daily, we're bullish on the daily. I've got a trade in here, and I'm hoping to hit that area of supply, and then it can make its way down or up or wherever it wants to go. In the medium term, we're definitely bullish. On the 4 hourly, we're bullish. We're sort of between this area here. So I've got my trade here, and let's see where it goes. We're still within the discounted area, so I'm hoping for it to hit the premium, and then we can continue. CAD-CHF, we're definitely bearish on CAD. Bearish on the daily as well. Yes, I had a trade in yesterday, and it would take must take profit. So instead of making 3%, I've lost 1%, which is unfortunate. That's what happens. So it can close below that, which is so it looks like it's taking liquidity. Will it go further up or down? We'll have to see. Euro AUD, on the weekly we're definitely bullish. The daily we're also bullish. Daily we went up there, and then we started ranging a bit. 4 hourly, we broke that there, so it looks like we're in this bearish area here. But we're definitely still in between these areas here. Euro JPY, let's go to okay, we're still bullish, definitely bullish. we're heading towards that 180 mark, and that could be a psychological area of retracement. I had a take profit in here and I've hit my take profit. So yeah, so I made, I think, 2.5% on that. I can delete that. Okay, the Farley. Yep, we're definitely bullish. See, broke structure there, that's your low. So yeah, so now we have to see what Fiori USD. Yeah, sort of, that's bad there. Sort of, we're sort of like that now. So yeah, it's daily. We're definitely bullish on the daily. Yeah, we're definitely bullish on the daily. Actually, I must check the DXY. What's the DXY doing? We're hovering around that. On the far chart, we're still bullish. Has it retraced enough? I'm not quite sure. Okay, and GBP CAD. Definitely bullish, quite clearly. Bullish up here. We're actually within. We're in that area here. There's a very nice 3 top. So we could actually be looking. We're actually looking for definitely a going down, a retracement going down. So yeah, we could be heading lower for a time of, yeah, definitely heading lower. There's this liquidity here, there's this liquidity here, so I think that's where we might be heading towards. So what I'll be roughly waiting for is for this to be broken. So I want this to be broken. I need to draw this. And this would be broken. For it to break that, close, get a change of character, and then take it from there. Okay. GBUSD, it's on the up. It's definitely bullish. What was that since 2022? Okay. Yeah, on the daily we're still bullish. We get a little retracement. we're hitting this area of demand, and it looks like we've reacted to it. We have a change of character there, change of character there, and that would be a high change of character there. And yeah, I can get the fractals in. So yeah, we've had change character there. So we're still in that bearish move, bullish move here. And yeah, so we've had could be something like that, and then you take out. There's still quite a lot of liquidity going up here. Yeah, so we could be experiencing that. Okay, NZD/USD. We all know that NZD/USD is still quite weak. There's a potential for it to recover some of these. So there's still space here to recover some of these this liquidity. Hourly. Yeah, it's definitely positive, definitely bullish, and it's a bullish change of character. So it's definitely a bullish change of character there. So we could be seeing a quick reversal just to recover some of the liquidity, maybe even it's bullish on the 15 minutes here. So what you could do is get into some of these. Looks very messy. Yeah. So we're sort of between this area and this area. Not sure what these dots mean. Not sure. So yeah, we're definitely between those areas there. There was a little bit of reaction, but there wasn't much pullback. And so what we've seen a change of character there. This is your so what I'd like to see is it's to break completely out of that, and then something like that, and then come back into this area and then we move out of that. USD CAD, the swing structure is still bullish on the weekly. We've retraced quite a bit far back and now we're heading back up. So yeah, we've had the little change character there. So yeah, so now we're still bullish on USD CAD. this might be a good area to just to get into to so have something like a very wide top loss and target to that point there. That's a very strong high. So we could do something like that, but I'd like to see a little to break this, go up, and then test that, and then have a little break of structure. So something like that with this break of structure here. Okay. So yeah, so we've had here was the impulsor stage. Now we're in the retracement, and I'm looking for a impulsor stage there. We've hit the start here. So we're in the 0.5, we're in this area of demand, and there's a little bit of liquidity here, but so I want to see a change of character, and then it can go back up. Okay, USD CHF. We're definitely bearish, obviously. There was a nice 3 top here, and then crashed. Daily, we're also bearish. We could be seeing a little change of character here. Yeah, we're bullish again on the 4 hourly, so we could be seeing a change of character. There's the impulsor stage. Here's the impulsor stage, the drop down, the impulsive stage. Yeah. So what I'm looking for is just a change of character. So I'd like it to break that again, and then it can break that, and then tap into that, and then go up. Obviously, with all the JPYs, we're bullish. Here we've had a change of character, and now we're going back up. We've broken that, so we're broken structure. So the next thing we expect, obviously, is for it to go down. Impulsive stage, retracement, impulsive stage, semi-retracement. So actually, yeah, it has been sort of slowing down momentum. And BTC USD, probably would like to see this get broken. Tap into that area of demand and then go up. So yeah, so that's a quick outlook. We'll see where we go from here. Yeah, I'm getting more and more real sophisticated to see where the market's going. So yeah, I'll pop my Discord channel into the comment section, so check it out, and yeah, we can chat on there. So yeah, stay diligent, stay profitable, and see you tomorrow. Cheers.